Fixing Git GPG Signing BAD signature errors with subkeys. Understanding bad signature errors in Git GPG signing. Git allows you to cryptographically sign commits using GPG keys, which provides verification of authorship and integrity. However, if you configure your Git signing key improperly or your GPG key setup is complex, especially when involving subkeys, you may encounter the perplexing error. This typically means the signature verification fails, even though the key appears valid. Why does this happen? Here's a common scenario. You have a GPG master key with multiple subkeys. The subkeys have different capabilities. Example, one might be for signing and authentication, SA, others for encryption. Your Git config specifies the master key or its long fingerprint for signing. When you make a signed commit, Git, via GPG, ends up using a subkey with authentication capability for signing. Even if this subkey can sign, Git's verification later fails with a bad signature. Root cause. Git uses GPG's default behavior. It picks the signing subkey with appropriate capabilities. If the subkey used has multiple capabilities, example signing plus authentication, it may cause signature verification issues. Signing tags may work because tag signing uses a slightly different GPG command flow. Direct GPG signing/verifying outside Git often works fine because it does not rely on Git's interaction. This mismatch between subkey capabilities and Git's expectations causes the bad signature error. How to fix this issue? Method: remove the signing capability from the authentication subkey. If you have a subkey marked with both sign S and authenticate A capabilities, modifying the subkey to remove its signing ability can resolve the problem. Steps: open your key for editing. Select the problematic subkey, usually with SA capabilities. Use the toggle or appropriate command to disable the signing capability. Usually toggle lets you change usage flags. Save and exit. By restricting the subkey to authentication only, Git won't mistakenly use it for signing commits. Additional tips. Explicitly set the signing key in Git using the subkey that should be used for signing, if appropriate. Always verify your key properties with. Ensure your GPG version is up to date. Some earlier versions had quirks handling subkeys. Use git_trace equals 1 and gpg_tty equals $TTY to troubleshoot signing commands. Summary. If Git commits signed with GPG fail verification with bad signature, especially when using keys with multiple subkeys. Check which key/subkey Git is using for signing. Remove signing capability from subkeys primarily meant for authentication. Configure Git explicitly if necessary. This resolves conflicts between Git's signing process and GPG's key usage, ensuring your commits are properly signed and verifiable. Mastering GPG key management helps secure your code with trustworthy commit signatures. If you encounter errors, careful inspection and adjustment of subkey capabilities provides a clean and effective solution.